How much does Adobe Creative Cloud cost? I have the official Adobe pricing plan page open right now. There's a ton of different options here. I'm going to go through them all. I'm going to go through the student and teacher discount and more in this video. First things first, if you want a discount on Creative Cloud Pro, if you want to get a free trial, I do have a link just below this video in the video description. You can get a free trial of the Adobe Creative Cloud Pro. You can see if it is the right platform for you. There is a free trial, like I say. You can cancel at any time, and it's a pretty good deal, so check that out. But we are right here on the pricing page. You can see right now, Creative Cloud Pro, the current price, obviously that changes all the time. What you're getting with Creative Cloud Pro, if you're not aware, is 20 plus of Adobe's best apps. So you get everything from Photoshop, Illustrator, you get Acrobat Pro, there's Lightroom in there, there's InDesign, Illustrator, I don't know if I mentioned Illustrator, Premiere Pro, the video editing tool as well. So you can see a lot of these are included in Creative Cloud, if not all of them. So over here we also have, so those prices there that you're seeing on the screen, you can obviously purchase all of these individually, or you could get them with a discount if you get the entire Creative Cloud Pro suite all in one go. If you're just looking for a certain, if you just want video stuff, you can obviously just look at the categories. I just had it all selected right there, so it's 26 results in all. There's a business option right now if that is you. Student and teachers, there's a really good discount on right now. If you are in fact a student or a teacher, you can see that price is a lot cheaper than the individual price I showed you over there. Also, if you look at schools and universities, if that is you, you can contact them for a special pricing discount for bulk orders. Right there, as you can see, they have this 100 students or more option right there. So back over to individuals, that will be most of the people watching this video. Those are the options, those are the prices. That's a full breakdown. You can check out this pricing page and you can see everything here on what you're getting. You can select to buy these individually, or you could do what I recommend and get Creative Cloud Pro. Get that saving today. Check out the free trial link that I have in a video description. It's well worth it just to actually have a no limitations look at the full platform, see if it is for you. If it isn't, that's absolutely fine. You can cancel at any time. If it is, you can stick around and get a paid plan. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.